Hello, Ms. Figueroa. Thank you again so much for all the support for the students and working with me to try to make sure we get this done. So I'm going to create a little video here for you, which will show you the username and password and how to log into the system and what it looks like. So for the username, I'm going to put your email address, and the password I am going to use HOUSTON. So Houston 2019 with a capital H. Again, that's Houston 2019 with a capital H. And when I log into your account, it's going to come up with this screen here. If I go to field experience and then go to previous, current, because the semester has ended for the students, it switched over to previous field experience. There is the student's work right there, and if we click on her name, what we're going to see is we're going to see a list of forms that are right here to complete. It looks like you did a great job, and you completed a few of them here in November, and so we have a few more. Again, any of them that say confirmation on it. So 1, 2, 3. These 3 are all going to be just a signature that you were part of some of the observations that Mr. Cavazos did with the forms that you see down here, and then these 2 here are the observations that you have. When you're to get into any of them, if you click on the blue link, it's going to say, yep, you were part of that observation. You click there, enter in today's date, hit save and close, and you'll be finished with that. And then that's it. And then once you have completed each of the forms, it'll give the last update and that flag will go away. Thank you again so much for everything that you do to support the students, and please let me know if there's anything else we can do to support you.